Good morning, doctor. Thank you for seeing me today. I'm sorry if I look a little out of it. I've actually been feeling pretty awful since last night, and I really needed to come in.
Good morning. Don't worry at all. You did the right thing by coming here. Please, take a seat and make yourself comfortable. You look a bit pale and tired. Tell me, what seems to be the problem today?
Well, I've been having a really bad headache. It started yesterday afternoon, and it just kept getting worse and worse. I thought maybe I just needed rest, so I tried to sleep it off. But I woke up this morning and the pain was still there, maybe even stronger than before.
I see. Headaches can come from a lot of different things. Let's talk more about it. Can you describe the pain for me? Is it sharp, dull, throbbing, pressure-like?
Hmm. It feels like a strong pressure, like something is squeezing my head. Sometimes it also throbs, especially when I move my head too quickly or bend down.
All right. And where exactly do you feel it? Is it on one side of your head, both sides, the back, or maybe around your forehead?
Mostly around my forehead and the sides of my head, like my temples. It's not on one side, it feels like it's all around the front. And sometimes it goes down to the back of my neck, too.
Does the pain change when you're in bright light or when you hear loud noises?
Actually, yes. Bright lights make it feel worse. Even the sunlight this morning felt like too much. And noise? I mean, not all noise, but anything loud makes me feel uncomfortable.
That's important information. Thank you. Now tell me, have you had any fever, nausea, or vomiting?
I haven't vomited, but I did feel a bit nauseous this morning. And about the fever, I didn't check with a thermometer, but I definitely felt warmer than usual last night.
Okay. We'll check your temperature in just a moment. How long has the headache lasted altogether? You said it started yesterday afternoon?
Yes, maybe around 3 or 4 p.m. yesterday, I was working on my computer and suddenly I felt this pressure building behind my eyes. I tried to ignore it at first, but it just kept getting worse and worse.
Understood. And before that, did you feel completely normal? Any stress, lack of sleep, long screen time, or anything unusual?
Honestly, I've been working long hours lately. I stayed up late almost every night this week. And yes, I've spent a lot of time staring at my laptop. I guess that might be part of the issue.
It definitely could be. Lack of sleep and long screen exposure are common causes of headaches. Don't worry, we'll figure it out step by step.
That's good to hear. I was a little scared this morning. The pain really surprised me.
I understand. Headaches can feel scary, especially when they're strong or unusual. But from what you're telling me so far, it sounds manageable. Let's continue. Have you been drinking enough water lately?
Probably not. I sometimes get so busy with work that I forget to drink water. I only had maybe 2 glasses yesterday.
That's not nearly enough. Dehydration often triggers headaches. You need to increase your water intake, especially if you're working long hours or sitting in front of a screen.
Yes, you're right. I should do better.
Now, any other symptoms? Dizziness, blurry vision, sensitivity to smell? Any neck stiffness?
I did feel a little dizzy when I stood up this morning, and my vision felt slightly blurry when I first woke up, but later it became normal.
All right. And your neck? Any stiffness?
A little bit. It's not super painful, but it does feel tight and kind of heavy.
Thank you for telling me. I'm going to ask a few more questions to get a complete picture. When was the last time you ate something?
Last night, Maybe around 9 p.m. I was too tired this morning to eat breakfast.
That might be contributing too. Low blood sugar can make headaches worse. You'll need to have something light after we're done here.
Okay, I can do that.
And stress levels. Have you felt overwhelmed, anxious, or emotionally tense lately?
Definitely. Work has been really stressful. Deadlines, constant emails, and meetings. I barely get time to relax. Even when I'm at home, I keep thinking about work.
I understand. You're going through that. Stress is one of the biggest causes of headaches, especially the type of pain you're describing. It tightens the muscles in your forehead, scalp, and neck.
That makes a lot of sense. I can actually feel that tension when you mention it.
We'll help you manage it. Don't worry.
Thank you, doctor.
Now, let's talk about medications. Did you take anything for the pain?
Yes, I took one painkiller last night, just a regular ibuprofen tablet. It helped a little for maybe an hour, but then the pain returned.
That's okay. Ibuprofen usually helps mild headaches. But if the root cause is stress, dehydration, or poor sleep, medication alone may not fix it completely.
I see.
All right. I'll check your vitals first, your blood pressure, temperature, and oxygen levels. Then we'll do a simple examination.
Sure, no problem.
Your blood pressure is slightly higher than average, but not dangerously high. Your temperature is normal, no fever. Your breathing sounds clear. When I pressed around your temples and forehead, you reacted a little. That means your muscles are tight, which is common with tension headaches.
So it's not something serious?
Based on everything I've seen so far, it looks like a tension-type headache caused by stress, lack of sleep, long screen hours, and dehydration.
That actually sounds exactly like my past week.
I'm glad we found a likely cause. I'll give you a simple treatment plan, but before that, I need to ask, do you have any history of migraines or other health conditions?
No migraines. I've had small headaches before, but never this strong. And I don't have any major health issues.
Good. That makes things easier.
So, what should I do to feel better?
First, you need to rest. Real rest. No screens for the next several hours, no emails, no bright light. Your brain needs quiet time.
That actually sounds nice.
Second, drink plenty of water. At least 3 to 4 glasses within the next few hours.
Okay.
Third, eat something light. Something soft and gentle on your stomach. Maybe soup, fruit, or toast.
Okay.
I'll also prescribe a mild pain reliever and a muscle relaxant. Take them only as directed. They should help with the tension in your neck and head.
Thank you so much.
And one more thing. You need proper sleep tonight. At least 7 to 8 hours. No screens an hour before bed.
I'll try my best.
Not try, do it. Your body needs rest. If you keep pushing yourself, the headaches will return.
You're right. I really need to change my routine.
Also, try stretching your neck and shoulders during work, and take short breaks from the screen every 30 minutes.
That makes sense.
You're going to be okay. This kind of headache is very common. With rest, hydration, and better habits, you'll feel much better soon.
Thank you, doctor. I feel much calmer now. The pain is still there, but knowing it's nothing serious makes a big difference.
I'm glad. If the headache gets worse, or if you experience new symptoms, like severe dizziness, fainting, or vision problems, come back immediately. But I don't think that will happen.
I understand.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Is it normal for my neck to feel heavy too?
Completely normal. With tension headaches, Your muscles tighten when you're stressed or tired. The medication I'm giving you will help relax them.
Okay, good.
And one last recommendation, try closing your eyes and breathing deeply whenever you feel overwhelmed. Slow breathing helps release tension from your head and neck.
I'll try that.
Good. Now go home, rest, drink water, and take your medication. You'll feel much better by tomorrow.
Thank you, doctor. Really thank you.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, all right?
I will. Have a good day.